Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Apple Watch Series 9 and let's see what you're going to get inside this box right here. So at the back here we're just going to open up like that. So here I'm just going to open up the flip and then we open it out. So it can be just one side or you can open up both sides and push it out. So here we can just open up and there are two boxes in here. One is for the strap and one is for the watch. So let's first take a look at the watch itself. So at the back here there is a tab that we can peel out. So here I'm going to peel out this one right here first. Then we do the same on the other one. And then now we can take out the cover at the top. Now in here on the left hand side is the Apple Watch. It is wrapped in a piece of paper and it tells you the size of the watch. This is a 41mm and there's a paper right here. I suppose you can just push it up like that and that will pop out the watch without breaking the piece of paper right here. So I can place this piece of paper right back in. So that is the Apple Watch 9 right here, 41mm. There's no strap in here, so let's see what is on inside here. Now in here is a cable. So let me just open it that way. So there's a cable right there. And this is the charger for the Apple Watch. So I'm just going to peel out this one here. So I'll push this one down and then pull out the USB plug like that. And then we push this one up, pull up like that, and then out. So we try to open it without breaking the packaging. And then out that way. And then at the back here, so I'm going to open this one. So I'm trying to see how you can open it without breaking the package. So here there is a flap, so you push down and pull out the charger. And there it is. So everything in the package still intact. Alright, so the cable is braided. You can see here if I zoom it right in. It's a braided cable. So just the Apple Watch face right here and the charger cables. So this is the charger cables. It's got some writing on the edge here. There's a little bit of scratch right here. And then there's also a writing right here. It's got 1 amp. Okay, so that's that. Now in here there is a small instruction. So just a small instruction about your Apple Watch. And that's it. So that is the Apple Watch inside this box. And here is a strap that comes with the watch. This one you can customize and you can choose when you purchase the watch. You can choose which strap to get with your watch. And here I can pull it out. So this is the orange strap that I have chosen. And this one here, it goes in over here. So on one end, you can simply just put it in like this. I suppose you can just put it in one end like this. So it goes in like that. It should snap in. Maybe we can try on the other end. It doesn't seem like it's snapping in right now. So just make sure I'm doing it the right way. If it's not in the right way, then it won't snap in. So there it is. If you put it in the right way, it should snap in correctly. And here as well. So here I can just push it right in like this, and it should snap right in. If you don't hear the click, and then that means it hasn't been locked in yet, so you make sure it's locked in, and that's it. So once it's in, you can then put it on your hand, and then you put the strap in like that. So it looks something like that. Now pressing on the button will allow you to turn on your Apple Watch. Could be this button right here. So I'm going to press on the button. So it's not turning on. So I think it's just running out of charge. We need to charge it up. Sometimes you don't really need to charge up your Apple Watch. When sometimes it ships, it already have some battery in it. This one here, been pressing on for a while. It's not turning on, so I assume we need to charge it up. So I'm going to charge it up, but yeah, that is everything you get inside this box. There is no charger, so if you have an iPhone or another charger, you can use a charger using a USB-C port with this one. So we need to charge it up before we can use your Apple Watch. And that's it. That's everything inside. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.